Welcome to the Dutchman in San Marcos. I turn junk into guitars. What's your superpowers? Hey, welcome. We're going to continue on with the ukulele project, the bento box uke. And I had a few different ideas. As you know, I put this guy's face on the front and back, but I might change that up. Because the back, when I put it on the back, I was only practicing. So we're going to get into that. We're going to do something different to the neck, to this neck. Oops, I always do that. This neck right here. And we'll see that. So let's get going. Well, that was a bummer. I just ended up staining this. I taped it all up. I had videoed it, but it didn't copy it because I can't see the camera. So I'll just explain everything I did. So I got this stained with this black stain. This one here. And so I got that all done and taped up and just letting that dry. Then I decided, and I think I might have said it in the intro, that I'm not gonna use this on the back. That I had this sticker from my friend Tim Price, who made them, so it's custom. And so I did that. I actually transferred with pencil, which I'll detail more, and then actually wood burn it in with this guy. So yeah, so that was the that was this, and like I was saying before, I retaped it all and it didn't. I hit some wrong button on my phone. I'm doing a new camera setup where it's up high so you can see everything, and somehow I got goofed up again. But we'll get it right one of these times so you can actually see it in action. The front now has this. I got to make this guy's eye a little bigger, so we'll do that so you can actually see me doing something. And then the rest of the pieces will be glued together after I get this back and everything made. I won't bore you with. I'm gonna sketch with a pencil the lines darker for this, and then I'll probably show you wood burning that once I get going. But let me fix this eye on here. And so I gotta plug my iron in, so I won't sit online and bore you. I'll let it warm up. Plus I'll check and see if I got these shots. So see you in a little bit. All right, now we're going. I think my remote control is freaking out too. So I got my wood burner all warming up. Hopefully you can see all this. Like I said, I'm playing with my shots here so you can get a bird's eye view of what I'm doing. So like I was saying, I got to make this guy's eye a little bigger, because when you put this falls right, the bridge is going to fall right where that guy's eye is at, you know, when you measure everything. I got some graphite on this thing. I'll have to sand it all down. So I got this guy nice and warm, and we're going to burn his eye a little bigger. And I'll make it a little darker too. We'll see how that is. There we are. You can have one big eye. just so it comes through, but that'll be okay. I'll make the other one a little bigger too. I just want to see it so you can see that there's an eye there. So you get a look at the edge. And we'll make this eye bigger. I'm getting better and better with this wood burner. That gives him kind of a crazy eye. Kind of a crazy looking guy anyway, so the more you can see what's going on here, the better. We'll make his teeth a little better. So, yeah, so that'll be good with the wood burning. And we'll darken up his eyebrow here because that'll be under that bridge. And hopefully next time we'll wood burn the Blues Brothers on the back. So we'll do that. I'm just kind of liking the way this thing's running right now. Got it nice and hot. Darken up some spots here. I'm getting more and more used to this thing as you use it. So there. Let's see how. See, so now when that sets on there, yeah, that's much better. Now you can kind of see that it is an eye. This will be like his upper brow. But the nice part is this part is dark, so if you put that in there and you see the circle, it looks like his eye. So there we go. Well, that'll do it for this show. It's a little short, like I said. I had all this great footage of this thing. In fact, I'll probably pull this off just to see how it came out. I don't need to leave it on. It's only stained, so we'll show you how this came out. See, that came out pretty nice. The blue tape worked so far, knock on wood. You want that edge pretty crisp. Now, a little chunk there, I'll have to sand it. But that's no problem. There's always files and sandpaper. Yeah, that came out nice. We'll do the reveal on this side since they taped it all up. And we'll see how this side came out. Pretty good so far. A little bit on those top edges. I must not have been down hard enough, but I will take that. That came out nice. So there's the neck. See, it's stained, but it'll sand off. And it doesn't look too bad. But yeah, so there's the stained necks that you couldn't see me staining. You can see I just did it. I had all the rags and everything, and it didn't record. So yeah, so that'll be the progress on the bento box. And as you can see, when it goes in, that darker neck is kind of nice. And we're getting really close to gluing it up. I'll drill these holes out. I still don't know what I'm gonna. I had a base that I painted with like a cream color, and it makes this gold pop better. But Tell me what you think in the comments. I don't see too many comments, so feel free to comment, positive or negative, and let me know. Also, if you know other people that like this type of stuff, help me get some subscribers. I only got 27 subscribers. You know, in order to do really good on YouTube, they say like you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 views. But so whatever you can do about telling your friends and family and other people that you run into that like DIY stuff on at least guitars and cigar boxes, point them to my channel, the DISM, the Dutchman in San Marcos. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, ring the bell so you get notifications. I'm trying to do them once a week. Every Saturday I post them at 11 o'clock. So I'm trying to stick with that. And if I don't get a lot more, I might start posting more, because the more videos you have out there, more people see them and watch them. So have a great day, and we'll see you next week.